Where you get your beats? HustleDreamProduction.
Alright, you guys, listen up. In this video, my man was looking rough. I'm looking rough right now too. I need to cut this down. Alright. In this video, my man was looking kind of rough. He had cut his dreads off. I didn't get to cut his dreads off, but he cut his dreads off and came in and wanted me to do a whole transformation. So I cut him the lineup, crispy, taper, blended. He about to go to waves. Hopefully he'll come back so I can film him again and basically show y'all the wave transformation. But until then, stay tuned to this video. I'm gonna show you guys how it's done. I'm out. Peace.
Look at those wavy. Where you get your beats? HustleDreamProduction.
Alright you guys, so before you actually start cutting, what you want to do is pick the hair out first. That way, when you go to take the hair down, the hair won't snag on the clippers. So my client wanted a 2 on top. He wanted to start his wave journey. So I went ahead and grabbed my 2 with the lever fully closed, and I'm going with the grain of my client's hair. Now, when you're cutting down the hair, you want to make sure that you go as slow as possible. That way the hair won't snag on the clipper and make it real uncomfortable for your client. So really go slow and pay attention to what you're doing. So I did go and wash my client's hair before I actually started, working on the taper. But to start this off, I'm gonna be setting my bald line. My client wanted to keep a lot of that C cup, so that's why I'm kind of doing the taper or the bald line like I'm doing right now, kind of doing it in a rainbow-like shape, saving some of that C cup as much as possible. Next, using my cordless fast feeds with the lever fully open, I'm just going up about a 1/2 inch, basically building that shape around the bald line that I set in. Same thing with the one guard. I'm building that shape, going up about a 1/2 inch, making sure I brush as I go using my corners. Now I'm going to work myself back down. I'm not going to worry about the bulk on top. I went ahead and grabbed my zero guard with the lever fully closed, and in a flick out motion, I'm starting below the line, flicking to that middle line. Now remember to use your corners at all times. Next, with the lever fully closed, in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line, start below the line, flick to the line. Make sure you use your corners at all times. And if you need to go up in any way past that bottom line, make sure you adjust your lever as you go up. So next, I'm gonna detail. I'm not gonna worry about that bulk at the top too much just yet until after I do my detailing. Right now, I'm basically using my corner of the blade as thinning shears. And also what you want to do is refer to the mirror. The mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend that you can't just see head on. All right, so utilize your mirror as much as possible. So as far as the bulk goes, I'm gonna take the 1 guard with the grain and just run the clipper down. Being that I put the 2 guard on top, I know the 1 guard will, take a little bit more off. So I'm just gonna go with the grain and smoothen that bulk at the top. Now as far as the back goes, it's the same exact steps. The only difference is it's more room to work with. I go in with my bald line using my trimmers, then I go with my clippers, set in the lever open. Next, the 1 guard with the lever open, I'll go in and knock off debulk with the 2 guard, come back down with the 1 guard and clean up the area between the 1 and the 2. Then I'll use my 0 guard to clean up that middle line. And lastly, with the lever fully closed, knock out that bald line at the bottom and then detail. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like,
damn, son.
We make it look easy.
You too, this is The Cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Make sure you guys go give him a follow. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you've seen in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My TikTok is official360Jeezy and my Instagram is 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here.